Hello everyone. In the last video of Nina and the baby sparrows of class 3, we discussed the summary and the new words of the chapter. And in today's video, we will discuss the question answers of the chapter and the exercise of the chapter. So, let's start. First of all, we discuss the question answers of the chapter. Here, the first question is, why was there great joy in Nina's house? And answer is, there was great joy in Nina's house because Nina's aunt was getting married and all her family members were going to Delhi to attend the wedding. So, there was a great joy in Nina's house. Let's move to the next question. Here, why was Nina worried? And answer is, Nina was worried about the baby sparrows in the nest that would be left hungry if no one remained at home on the day of wedding. So, Nina was worried about the baby sparrows. Next question is, what did mother suggest? And answer is, the mother suggested that the window will be left open so that mama and papa sparrows can feed their baby sparrows in the nest. Okay children, let's move to the last question. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? And answer of this question is, Nina found two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. So children, these are the question answers of the chapter. Now let's move to the exercise of the chapter. Here it is. The first question is, put it in right order. Children, there are some sentences from the story. Okay, and you supposed to arrange these sentences in a proper order, in a right order. So, first we will read the sentences. First sentence is, mother says we will leave the window open. Next, Nina is sad. Next sentence is, Nina is happy. Next, mother asks why. And last sentence from the story is, Nina does not want to go. Okay children, now you put these sentences into correct order. We will do it. Let's see. Here, the correct order of the sentences. So, first sentence is, Nina is sad. Second, Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrow alone. Okay children, first of all, Nina was very sad because she does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Then, mother asked why. Then again mother says, we will leave the window open. Mother suggested that we will leave the window open. And last one, Nina is happy again. This is the correct order of the sentences according to the story. Okay, now we will discuss some adjectives from the chapter. Here, student, here fill the suitable adjectives from the given box. Here are some sentences and there are some words, some adjectives in the box. So, fill the blanks with the help of the words given in the box. Okay, let's start. A dash woman. Here are some pictures also to describe the woman. So, we fill here fat. A fat woman. Next, a red rose. Red is an adjective. A happy boy. Happy is an adjective. A beautiful peacock. Beautiful is an adjective. In my last video, we already discussed about the adjectives. There are also an video on adjectives on my channel. Okay children. Next, a black board. A tall man. So these all are the adjectives. So this is the exercise of the chapter. We discussed the question answers, exercise, new words, summary of the chapter Nina and the baby sparrows. It is a very beautiful story of a girl and the baby sparrows.